Okay. Deleting MyStuff2 Pro so I can start off fresh like everybody else. I do have my backup file saved, and I emailed the developer to be like, this is all I really need is the pictures and everything included in that, I think it's an MSA file, and he's like, yes, everything's there. Should be just like it was before you deleted it. I'm like, okay, so leap of faith for you guys, leap of faith. Okay, it's done. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Okay. Opening MyStuff2 Pro for the first time. If you hear purring, it's my cat. Alright, make sure you read your welcome and getting help in the sharing. Alright, I'm just going to walk you through down and dirty how to get yourself set up the way I am. If you have any questions, ask. If you want to explore things, please explore things. But this is just what I did when I first did this. And I have not looked back. Okay, you can click edit there at the top. Red dot, delete. Okay. Add category. So we are going to keep track of our nail polishes. Add attribute. Anything about nail polish that you want to end up sorting later, you want to make an attribute. So if you want to ever have all of your, sort by your color so that you can see how many yellows and greens and whatever you have, or to find a particular yellow, green, or whatever, make sure you have color group in here. Oops. Birch, can I have the mic? Alright, hopefully this is still okay. Alright, so color group. Polish name. Polish brand. And as you know, the little 3 lines can help you, move this whatever order you want. Okay, it's best to come up with what your attributes are, click save, and then we go back and we fine-tune stuff. But let us not have Murphy and his laws bite us in the butt. So click save when you get done just doing this pure list. So save, cancel, nothing, save. Click done right next to categories. Okay. When you select just a polish, this is as if you are looking at your inventory of nail polishes. We have nothing right now. So edit by categories, select nail polish, polish name. Now we can do our finessing, but at least we don't have to. We do everything if we hit the wrong button. Alright, so polish name should be fine at text and everything else defaulted. So, cancel out of there. Polish brand. I highly advise you to do this. Type. We want to have our own lookup list. That is a drop-down menu. Click edit. Delete everything here. This is from all those default categories that we just deleted. So we want to delete these guys. Loss reason and payment method will pop up with the lookup loss reason. Sorry, cat's crawling over me. Is being used by one action. Are you sure you wish to delete the lookup? Yes, delete. Ouch. Delete, 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 delete. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, so add lookup. So this is brand. Text will be fine. Everything will be fine. My personal thing for headers is never choices. List all your polish brands. So whatever, plus at the bottom. Whatever brand that you have. Look, I'm not sure real one. Just type them in. Yeah, I kind of like that. Goes Jersey. All right. So then we're up on the second panel where it says choices, new lookup and edit. Hit new lookup. Click save. Click done. Do not bite the cord. That's for the cat, not for anybody listening. Close. Scroll through. Click brand. Would you leave stuff alone? I know you want attention. I'm giving you attention. All right. Everything else looks good. Save. Color group. Do the same thing to add a drop down or a lookup. That's what you want. You can have that. So color group, and same thing as we did before. So reds, oranges, yellow, greens. Do not try to bite my cord, cat. Okay, so like whatever you have. New lookup, save. Do not make the mistake of going directly to the done thing without doing that, go to lookup or whatever on that second panel, because you will delete everything you just did. Done, close. But you're human, it may happen. Don't be too hard on yourself. Color group. Everything should be fine there. So if that's all that you really want to keep track of, that's awesome and great and whatever. So click done. Click on the nail polish category, little plus at the bottom, and you can name, we go through your polishes. Click on it. And you go